Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create synced blocks in Notion. This feature is incredibly useful when you need the same content to appear across multiple pages in your workspace, and any changes you make will automatically update everywhere. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to add the synced block. Once you're on that page, click anywhere to bring up the block cursor. This is the same cursor you use when adding any new content to a Notion page. Now type /synced and you'll see sync block appear in the command menu. Go ahead and select it. You'll immediately notice a red border around the newly created synced block area. This red border is Notion's way of showing you that this is a special block designed for syncing content across pages. Inside this synced block, you can add any content you want by typing or pasting. This could be text, images, databases, or really any type of content Notion supports. The key here is that whatever you place inside will be linkable to other pages. Once you've added your content, look for the Copy Synced Block button in the top right corner of the synced block and click it. This copies a reference to your synced block, not just the content itself. Next, navigate to another page in your workspace where you want this same content to appear. Once you're there, simply paste the synced block using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The content will appear with that same red border, indicating it's a synced block. Here's where the magic happens. Edit the content inside the synced block on any page where it appears, and your changes will automatically sync everywhere. This saves you from having to manually update the same information across multiple pages. If you already have existing content that you'd like to turn into a synced block, there's an easy way to do that too. Click the 6-dot handle that appears to the left of any content block, then select Turn Into followed by Sync Block. Once converted, you can copy and paste this synced block to other pages using the same method we covered earlier. This approach keeps your content consistent across your entire Notion workspace while giving you the flexibility to update everything from a single location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.